It sounds like you were saying that this could be done right now, that this needs to happen. I mean, what's the argument here?
Well, I'm fine with trying to get the legislature's buy-in. That's, always good government when the branches can agree, but, it's very clear under Ohio law, the same provision that says how you do an address update is right out of the voter registration section. Other states have implemented online voter registration without action by their legislature. If you think about it, it's a process. The different ways you do it aren't necessarily, it doesn't say in the code, well, for paper it's this, and for online it's this. So if we implemented it for online, we could just pull the signature from the BMV just like we do for the address changes. It's very simple. Clearly there's a disagreement, but I believe the law is very clear.
Wasn't his argument that with the change of address, they already have the signature on file because they provided it, but with an initial registration, they don't have the signature yet? Is that,
That's his argument, but if you look at the law, a signature is required to do an address change, and a signature is required to update, to register. So the same provision governs. So if we're using the BMV information for online changes, we can easily use the same for online registration for everyone. Does that make sense? I feel bad. It's like, it's the same portion of the law that he's pulling, saying the same portion of the law governs address updates as voter registrations. When he does address updates, he's saying, okay, I can use the signature I have on file, but he could say, okay, we'll use the BMV signature they have on file to do online voter registration. That is not prohibited anywhere. He's kind of making not really a leap, an allowable leap under the law to allow online updates. He could do the same kind of generous reading of the statute to allow online voter registration. He's just refusing to do it.
Why do you think that is? If you feel it's clearly spelled out, why do you feel that he's not doing it?
He may have problems in his own party of not wanting to move ahead with online voter registration without some of the more conservative members of his party, which this legislature is full of. But I'd ask that we put those fears aside, because Ohio is behind the curve. This gerrymandered legislature with a lot of extreme members won't get on board with online voter registration. We need Husted to lead, and he could switch it on.
Cool. Thank you.
Thanks.